Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Lincoln MKZ. Stock number is A8160A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels wrapped with Firestone tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top, you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise as well as audio controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. You have dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Lincoln on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.